You're tired, not sleepy tired, not just physically exhausted, but the kind of tired that lives deep in your chest, like something's missing, but you don't know what. You rest, you eat, you scroll, you even go out, but the feeling stays. That quiet, heavy fog in your mind. People say, you just need to relax, but you've been doing that, and somehow you feel even more empty. Here's something you may not realize. You're not just tired, you're emotionally starved. You're starving for real connection, meaningful conversations, a sense of direction, silence that heals, not just noise that distracts. Because most of what we do today isn't feeding us, it's draining us. We scroll endlessly, but we don't feel seen. We chase goals, but we forget why we started. We talk a lot, but we rarely say what we really feel. That's why you're tired. Not because you're broken, but because you've gone too long without the real stuff. So what can you do? You don't need to quit your job or go to the mountains or delete the internet. You just need to give yourself what your soul has been craving. Time alone without distraction. To hear yourself again. One honest conversation with someone who listens without trying to fix you. A reminder of what matters. Write it down, read it often, let it guide you. And if that still feels like too much, then start with this. One deep breath. One walk without your phone. One journal entry where you don't filter your feelings. Because here's the truth. You don't need to be more productive. You need to be more connected to yourself, to meaning, to the things that truly give you life. You're not weak. You're not lazy. You're just tired of living a life that feels numb. So choose something different, even if it's just for 10 minutes today, even if it's just one moment of realness. You'd be surprised how quickly you begin to feel alive again.